Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P10 Lite and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the way which includes the secret code, and after that I'll show you the second one via the settings. So let's open the dialer. It is the place where we can enter the codes, and the code is *##06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with the information about the IMEI number of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way, as I said, with the usage of the settings. So let's enter them, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on About Phone. And here, unfortunately, we do not even have to enter other sections because the IMEI number is right here, almost at the top. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.